think so. I feel better about myself now. So what did you guys think of April, man? That was fucking awesome. Totally cool. I was rocking out. I was like, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm Matt, by the way. This is Anthony, and this is Paul. We're Dubbin. Tonight we're Dubbin. Alright, so we're gonna play you guys another original written by us. It's called That Smile. So true, when I knew the feeling of the stars shining sky, you're making me so high. You and me forever, free like the ocean, free like the sun, free like the sun. Well, I've been in love before, but I don't know for sure. Never believed in love in the life, but I met you, I'm not sure that you. That's why, you know, I got to do wow. Oh, you my heart is fine. And everything's gonna be alright. Oh, girl, you know, I see you. I'm hoping that you do. You're making me feel brand new. And everything's gonna be alright, alright, alright. Alright, alright. Alright, alright. Oh. Yourself, you got me wild, I was hoping you sure, oh, I'm gonna have a dream. Maybe don't even think. Good to yes, okay, my bed, you can't put all of the rest of the down. You won't make you in my eyes, but I'm enough to go over, I don't know for sure. Never believed in love in the life, but I can make you on my story. That's why, you know I got you, wow. Oh girl, you make my heart beat right. Like everything's gonna be alright. Oh girl, you know I'll be you. I'm hoping that you keep it cool. You're making me feel brand new. Like everything's gonna be alright, alright, alright. Alright, alright. Alright, alright. Yeah. When I knew the feeling that those stars shining sky, really so high. I knew I had to fly with you and me forever. Feel like the ocean, feel like the sun, feel like having fun, yeah. Well, I've been in love before, but I don't know for sure. Never believed in love in the sight, but I met you, I'm back sorry. That's why, you know I can feel wow. Oh girl, you make my heart beat right. Like everything's gonna be alright. Oh girl, you know I see you. I'm hoping that you keep it cool. You're making me feel brand new. Like everything's gonna be alright, alright, alright. Alright, alright. Alright, alright.